The year is 2026. While the world looks the same on the surface, beneath the digital crust, a gold mine is exploding. The AI market has reached a staggering $826 billion. But here's the catch: 99% are missing it. We are entering the era of agentic AI. These aren't just chatbots. They are autonomous entities running 40% of all enterprise applications. The question is no longer about technology. It is about your future. Tell me, is your income autonomous yet? To understand this wealth explosion, we have to look at the architects of this new world, the MERN stack developers. By integrating AI directly into the stack, one developer can now match the output of a 50-person traditional firm. They are building hyper-efficient systems that learn, adapt, and scale without human intervention. This is the ultimate power play. Let's look at 5 mind-blowing facts that prove why the old ways are dying. Fact 1. AI search traffic conversion is over 14%. Compare that to less than 3% for traditional Google searches. The efficiency gap is becoming a canyon. Fact 2. Companies utilizing AI have seen an 11.5% average increase in net productivity. This is pure profit. Fact 3. By the end of this year, 30% of all work hours in the US will be automated. Fact 4. Vibe coding. We are now whispering to AI to generate entire software ecosystems just through natural conversation. Fact 5. Over half of all companies now use generative AI for content, raising the bar for quality to impossible heights. This massive ROI is creating a new class of wealth. Look at the luxury minimalist homes in Dubai and Singapore. This lifestyle isn't built on hard labor. It is built on 30% more conversions and 29% lower costs. Performance marketers are leveraging these algorithms to achieve total financial freedom. They are the new rich. Now, it is your turn to transition from a consumer to a creator. The blueprint is simple, but requires action. Step 1. Master the tools of agentic AI. Step 2. Build systems that work while you sleep. Move from the abstract to the concrete. Build your own digital product and claim your stake in the 2026 wealth explosion. The tools are here. The market is ready. The only thing missing is you. Welcome to the future of technical empowerment.